Hey guys, Rob from Ultimate Diesel Tuning. Today we've got one of the brand new Nissan Navara NP300s, and this one's a 2022 model. But before I go on guys, make sure you subscribe to the Ultimate Diesel Tuning YouTube channel and click the bell for notifications. The owners brought us this vehicle for a custom dyno tune and the fitment of an engine oil catch can. At Ultimate Diesel Tuning, it's really important that every vehicle we tune, we do the mechanical inspection, even like this one that's relatively brand new. So we're making sure there's no fluid leaks from the vehicle and it's in good mechanical order. So the inspection on the vehicle's now been completed. As expected with a new one like this, it's all good to go to fit up the catch can and then start with a custom dyno tune. The catch cans we use at Ultimate Diesel Tuning are the HBD ones, and they're billet alloy, which is obviously a really important thing when they're sitting in the engine bay close to areas of like the turbocharge. The other good thing about it is the engine oil catch can is to collect the oil vapors, and you want to be able to check that very easily, and they do have a dipstick which makes it really easy for the customer to inspect. The Nissan Navara NP300 comes in two engine variants. It has the 2.3 litre twin turbo and the 2.3 litre single turbo. The most common is the twin turbo. The owner has brought this NP300 to us because he does tow a 2.5 tonne van behind it and he's chasing more power in the mid-range. Well guys, we've now finished the custom dyno tune on the vehicle. Let's take a look at the numbers. When we first ran it up, it had 97 kilowatts of power and 333 Newton meters of torque at the rear tyres. And this is what we'd expect from a standard vehicle. On average, the NP300 twin turbo does around 25 to 30% gain in both power and torque. But what I can report back after we've custom dyno tuned this one, it's gone well over 30% with both power and torque. Well, another new Nissan Navara NP300 custom dyno tuned by us here at Ultimate Diesel Tuning. And as I said, these vehicles respond exceptionally well from just getting a custom dyno tune. So if you've got a common rail diesel vehicle or you own a Nissan Navara NP300, give us a call, speak to one of our diesel experts, or drop into one of our performance centres in Brisbane, Gold Coast and Melbourne. And remember, make sure you subscribe to the Ultimate Diesel Tuning YouTube channel.